the stun gun?
Borrowing it.
Frost, you go first.
Why me?
You have the stun gun.
Now you got the stun gun.
Yeah, but give me that. Where's Leia? She's not here. Is your team winning?
Austin, homicide. You so much as blink and one of us will blow your head off.
Go ahead. Shoot me.
You heard the man.
I did.
And I thought Eastern Europeans were tough guys.
Ask her if she recognizes this knife.
Petra, da li prepoznaješ li ovaj nož?
Da, ovaj nož pripada Kojaču. On je sjekao slova na mom vratu sa tim nožem.
She says this is the same kind of knife Cutthroat used on her neck.
Does she know these two girls?
Poznaješ li ove devojke?
Anja i Laja su popegle.
She says they escaped.
Okay. Tell her that we're going to show her all the men. We need to know if one of them is Cutthroat.
Mi ćemo ti pokažemo ove muške. Da vidiš ako nekoga poznaješ.
No. So where is he and what has he done with Leia? Ask her if this is Cutthroat.
Da li je ovo koljač?
Da.
Okay. You're safe now. He can't hurt you anymore.
Ne može te on više povrediti, Petra. Ti si s nama.
It's okay.